be unboxing the Philips Sonicare Prestige model, and this is in the champagne color. I am so excited. I've been waiting for this one. It finally came in, and this is what it looks like on the side, the back. And then it also has the new brush head as well, the all-in-one. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, let's open it up. Not sure if this is supposed to just slide right out or not, so we'll see. And it does. Great. And I haven't really been seeing too many YouTube videos on this particular model since it is still relatively new. Okay, it comes with this to download the app. And my husband, he actually has the Diamond Clean model. So towards the end, I'll just put it side by side. Okay. Ooh. So pretty. Okay. Get that back in there. And this is the travel case that comes with it. I believe this one actually charges the toothbrush as well. A lot thinner than the Diamond Clean ones. All right. See what's at the bottom. Got your charger, cord, gold. What's more gold? I guess champagne gold. And I believe this is supposed to go on top like that. All right, and then just the user manual down there. Okay. Okay. Now let's just see what it would look like on the charging base. Okay. And then we just connect that on top. Just clicks right in. Okay, now this is the Philips Sonicare 9500 model. My husband, he just has the tongue brush connected to it right now. So it is, the Prestige is definitely shorter, which I like. Fits well in my hand. Okay, close up. And then this would be the Diamond Cares travel case that comes with it. So more bulkier, but it does have the cords in the back, which I thought was pretty cool. Okay. And this is compared to the Prestige model travel case. A lot smaller, more compact. Okay. And as far as the charging bases go, this is the classic cup or glass cup, and it'll sit like that to charge versus the Prestige, where you would have to sit it like this to charge it. Alright, and that was just a quick unboxing of the Philips Sonicare Prestige. Again, I am so excited to be using this, and let me know in the comments if y'all have this brush and just your thoughts on it.